After you've completed your system checks, this is the email you'll receive from Proctor Exam. When you're ready, click the link next to Step 2. You should ensure all links open in Google Chrome, but if this doesn't happen automatically, you can right-click the link and copy and paste it into a Chrome window manually. The system checks on the day of the exam are very similar to the ones you completed previously, with a few additional steps. Click on the blue button to set up your exam session. If you have any other tabs open, the system will prompt you to close them before you can continue. If your notifications aren't already enabled, you will be prompted to allow them. Click Allow and move to the next step. When sharing your screen, make sure you click the center of the screen for the Share button to activate, then click Share. Next, you'll be brought to your sound and camera setup. Select the correct options from the drop-down menus and then click Test. If you run into any technical issues at this stage, you can use the help guide on the side of the screen. If this guide doesn't solve your issue, contact LIA. The education team will be at hand to provide assistance. When you're happy that you can see yourself clearly on the screen, click Yes. Next, you'll be prompted to take a photo. Make sure you're clearly visible in the camera and the lighting in the room is adequate. The next step is to take a picture of your ID. Hold your ID up to the webcam and click Take Photo. The system will then prompt you to record your screen. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Here is where you can show your calculator if you're using one. The next step is where you can show your exam station to the camera. Show your rough work paper front and back, as well as any other materials you'll be using, such as your pen. Next, pick up your laptop and show your desk and surrounding area to the webcam. Make sure you capture your desk, floor area, and 4 walls clearly. Move the laptop around the room slowly so the proctors can see your entire room. When you've captured the entire room, click Next. The connection check will happen automatically. When the setup is complete, click Start your exam. This is your exam page. The first section contains a summary of the permitted items. On the right-hand side, you'll see a menu containing your timer. It's important to check this regularly, as it will let you know how long you have left in your exam. The second section contains your exam documents. There will be 2 versions of some of these documents, Microsoft Word and PDF. It's very important that you have an up-to-date Microsoft license, as you'll need Microsoft Word to do all exams and Microsoft Excel for some assessments. This is a mandatory requirement for enrolment to ensure you can complete your exams properly. When you're ready, click the download button next to each document. You can download the versions you prefer from there. When you click download, the documents will save to the default folder on your computer. In this example, the documents are saved to the downloads folder. However, this may not be the case on your PC, so please check your settings before the exam. There are 2 ways to access the documents you've just downloaded. You can click on the download icon on the top right of the screen to open them, Or you can go to your File Explorer and find them in there. For this example, we'll open the File Explorer. As you can see, the documents have been saved in the folder called Downloads. Start opening your exam documents. The next step is to rename your answer book. When it opens, click File and Save As. Now click Browse and choose the folder where you want to save this document. Make sure you save it somewhere that will be easy to find later. For this example, we're going to save the answer book to the desktop. The name of the answer book must be your LIA member number. Select the folder and next to File Name, type your member number and click Save. You will know you are typing into the correct document because the name of the document along the top should now be your member number. Next, have a read through the instructions and type your member number again into the table. Make sure the document is saving as you type, so you don't lose your progress. You can set the document to autosave, or you can click on the save icon periodically to ensure that your progress isn't lost. When you've finished your exam, you can upload it using the Upload File button in the third section of your exam page. Click the button, find the answer book in the folder where you saved it earlier, and click on it to upload. If you think you may have uploaded the wrong one, you can delete the document and try again. When you're happy that you've uploaded it correctly, click End Exam along the top right of the page. A window will pop up asking you to confirm that you've finished. Tick the box and click End Exam. When you've done this, you can then close the web page. As always, the LIA team are at hand to answer any of your queries before and during the exam.